I introduced this concept of baking a cake. And I said that strategic planning initially was us just gathering the ingredients together, right? But we're not really sure if we actually have a cake yet. We just have the ingredients. We have all the goals. We have all the objectives and things, but we need to check in on the cake, right? Once you mix it all together and stick it in the oven, we need to do some updates, right? Some check-ins. And I think that that's that iterative refinement. So quarterly, we go in, and right now we're using a late, and we update and make sure that the ingredients are actually coming together to form a cake, right? And that we're not going to end up with muffins or, donuts or something else. We started out trying to make a chocolate cake. That's still the direction that we want to be headed in, right? So every quarter we're going in and we're making sure that every stakeholder is aware of where we are in this cake baking process, in this strategic planning process. And we publish all of that information on our website so that everyone clearly knows where we are and that we're still focused on making the cake, right? And if we have to pivot because, hey, the cake sort of looks like it's starting to shape shift a little bit and it's looking more like a muffin, we want to be transparent in that part of the conversation. And we do that every quarter. We provide that update to everybody who has a role in it. And anyone from the public is able to log on to our site and see where we are.